What's up, high levelers and affiliate marketers? It's Andrew, and I've got an exciting update for the Affiliate Manager. We now have the ability to create campaigns with external website support. That's right, we no longer have to use a high-level website when creating an affiliate campaign or using the Affiliate Manager. We can now use external websites, create our custom links, share our custom codes, track our affiliate sales through external websites that aren't in high level. So this is super, super exciting, especially if we already have websites on different platforms and want to utilize the power of high level's Affiliate Manager. It's going to be awesome. So let's jump right in. So on our sub account level under marketing and Affiliate Manager, we obviously can see all of our campaigns under the campaign dashboard, but what we're going to do is going to create a brand new campaign by clicking add in the top right hand side. Now, typically right here on this first screen, this is where you're going to select your source details. And typically we only can select funnels or websites within high level, but now we can select external websites, which is super exciting, by clicking this radio button all the way on the right hand side and selecting external website. By doing this, it's going to give you a little bit of information. The first one being that this only supports automatic tracking through Stripe. So make sure you're using Stripe with your other website and high level, so that way it can integrate between the two. If you already have your Stripe connected, then you'll get this little notification that you're good to go. And if you don't, then just get it connected under the payment section. Once you click confirm, then you'll be able to select your source via this external website. So what you're going to do is type in your external website right here. And remember, this doesn't have to be a website that's in high level right now. So for example, this link for howtousehigh-level.com, this is a website that I use on another platform, Squarespace. So we can see we've got our other website right here, and we're going to take this link and put it into our affiliate campaign in this select source details box. Now, after we've added in our source, then we're going to add in our products. This is why using it with Stripe is so important, because these are going to be products that are on Stripe within high level and on our external website. You can select any of your products that are already integrated into your Stripe account on high level. You can do recurrings, you can do one-times, you can do digital products, physical ones, everything you can imagine we can really do with the Affiliate Manager on this external website. Once you've selected your products, you can click next, go through the rest of the affiliate campaign creation process by selecting your commissions and additional settings. And then once you get to step 3, you can either finish by saving this in draft, publishing it now, or installing your tracking script. If you're ready to go ahead and get this campaign rolling on your external website, click install tracking script, and this will take you to step 4, where it's going to give you your script to install onto your external website. Now, I know some of you may see code and immediately want to run away. Trust me, it's super simple. I'm going to walk you through it all. As we said before, there's really only 2 steps with this, which was creating the campaign and installing this script. So this is step 2, and we have 2 steps within this. We're going to be installing our visitor tracking script first, and then we're going to be installing our sign up tracking script. These are 2 different sections that are going to be tracking our website analytics on our external site. And this whole page walks you through exactly what you have to do, but I'm also going to do this alongside with you in my Squarespace website editor, and you can do this on any other external website editor, whether you're using Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, Google, anything that you're using another website for. I'm going to show you how to do it. So step 1, installing our visitor tracking script. What we're going to do is we're going to click copy on the right hand side. Then we're going to open up our external website editor. This is Squarespace. And then you want to navigate to the custom code or header tracking code section of the website. This can be different for every platform, so I'd recommend before you do this, do a quick Google search. You'll be able to find out where this section is. And for Squarespace, it's going to be in settings right here. We're going to go to our advanced settings when we are editing this website page, and then we're going to paste our tracking code that we got from high level. This code is going to track our visitor data. So we've got step 1 done, and we can head back to high level right now. Now we've got 2 options here for our sign up tracking script. We have tracking based on a JavaScript event or tracking based on a redirect. All you need to know is that option 1 is really for a 1-step order, and option 2 is for a 2-step order, or for a time wherever they place an order and then it redirects them to another page, hence being called tracking on a redirect page. To keep things simple, we're going to do option 1 and use tracking based on a JavaScript event. Now this code here needs to be tied to essentially the form that we're going to be using for our affiliate manager. So back in our website builder, our external website builder, we've added in a form right here. This is what we're going to be using for tracking these things. Now, depending on the platform that you're using, some may have the functionality to add in HTML, some may not, but in Squarespace it does. And for most of them, it will be tied to the form itself. So if we go ahead and click the form, click the little edit icon, then we can see on post submit, this is where we're going to be putting in that information. Most platforms will have a section for HTML in post submit, but this is where we're going to put that code. So we're going to come back here, copy this code, go back to our external website builder and add in this information. Now, there's a couple of other granular steps that you need to go through, like replacing the specific pieces of information with the right callbacks to collect the corresponding data. It just really depends on what that actual platform is calling those fields. So for Squarespace, it's calling them first name, last name, email, customer ID, all of that information ties over, but for different platforms, it will be different. But once you've got that information in there, then you can go ahead and save, and then you will be good to go. Now, once you have implemented one of your sign up tracking scripts, then you can go on to the last step, which is just going to give you a little bit of more information. Be sure to read this entire screen thoroughly so you can understand exactly what's happening whenever you're using this affiliate manager with an external website. And then the last part that I would recommend you use is debugging. All right. There will be a couple of issues likely whenever you get this set up. So debugging, according to HighLevel's instructions, is a really, really great idea. But essentially debugging will just consist of using the test link that HighLevel gives you right here within this screen, then checking the cookies, inspecting, doing a few different things like that. I will be honest, if you haven't used code before, or if you don't understand JavaScript or CSS, then this might not make a lot of sense, but we'd highly recommend you hop on support if you're having any issues following these instructions, so you can have someone to guide you along getting this set up. Now, after you've pasted both pieces of your code, done your debugging, then you can go ahead and click done, and then you will be able to see your campaign within HighLevel right at the top right here. Additionally, if you're using a campaign that has tracking script, then you can click the three dots on the right hand side and you can see view tracking script. This will give you the ability to go back to this screen, debug back and forth, so you don't have to go through every single step for creating a campaign in order to debug your code. But all in all, this is super exciting. This will allow us to now use this campaign specifically to collect leads and get sales from this page, which is on a completely different website builder, and then utilize the affiliate manager within HighLevel using that external website. So it's pretty straightforward, especially if you understand code, JavaScript, and CSS. But if you don't, I'd highly recommend you do a little bit of research on the platform that you're using. As you saw, that's how you would do it on Squarespace, but for every other platform, it might be a little bit different. Now, if you have any questions about how this feature works or the overall idea of what this feature is supposed to do, then leave a comment. But as always, thank you so much for watching.